God is saying to you today, it's all about mindset. From the moment you wake up to the moment you rest your head at night, everything is up to you. Your emotions, your thoughts, your perceptions, your reactions, every moment. Type yes if you agree. One day, when you least expect it, you are going to crash into someone who is going to be so soft and gentle with your heart, and you are going to be so glad you kept it open. You are going to be so glad that you continue to fight for it, that you choose to believe it deserved more. Type yes if you agree with this, and also subscribe the channel. Thank you all.